Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can save a TikTok draft video. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your TikTok app right over here. Cross this out and we will be here in this home section, right? So from this section, let's go ahead, create a draft. So we're going to tap on plus, make a video. Tap on this check mark right over here and tap on next and tap on drafts. Now we go ahead, tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. We go to drafts and we have this particular video. Then we're going to go ahead, tap on this share icon on top right corner. And now we have three options to save it. We can save this post with the watermark, which is the TikTok watermark that it will come with. Or we can tap on post to save without watermark. We can go ahead, post this video and the video will be saved in our gallery without the watermark. Or we can simply go ahead, post to story and save without watermark. That would be the safest option. If you do not want to post the video, you can go ahead, tap on that. Your video will be posted. Go ahead, tap on it. You can see uploading status. Once it's been uploaded, you can go ahead, go to your photos and you can check out the particular video. It's right over here. It has been saved. And that's how you can go ahead, save a video from your draft from TikTok like that. So that's how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.